Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Fiat 500. If you have one of those, you have problems with the power steering pump, you're trying to find where the fuse for the power steering pump is located, stay with us, we'll explain that today. If your power steering pump does not use, it's actually an electric one, check that fuse first. Also, make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse and not just to assume that it's a good fuse, guys, because that can save you quite a bit of time and money as well. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So let's go ahead, open the hood on that Fiat 500 that we have specifically here. We're going to support it. We have specifically a Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have a non-Abarth version, the procedure is about the same in either case. You need to come to the car battery, is where the main fuse box is located. You have one more inside the vehicle if you want to check out where it's located. We have a video about fuse box location on Fiat 500. Here you're going to remove the bolt that holds the lid, pull it straight up, okay, and good news now, okay, you have the fuse numbers printed on the fuse box, but bad news, they do not go in order, and also those fuses, okay, you don't know what they're for. So now, why it's a good idea to always test the fuse. If you look at the fuse or remove it, you may think it's good fuse and you put it back in, but it's actually a bad fuse, guys. Okay, you may end up spending so much time and money to fix your problem. All we had to do is test the fuse. I'll put a link to a special video in the description below that explains how to test the car fuse in just a few minutes, and you will be able to find out if it's good or bad. The fuse that we need to check for the power steering pump, it's a mega fuse, and if you come down here, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth fuse, that's known as F05, guys. Okay, even if you have a missing one, you still count the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 70 amp fuse, guys. That 70 amp huge fuse, that's the one for the power steering pump, guys. Okay, right there, that one. So check it out. Okay, that's definitely, guys, a fuse that can affect, okay, the power steering pump, if it's working or not, if it's burned or not contacting correctly, it will deactivate the power steering pump. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.